For those who don't know, my name is Baman Irani. Just making sure. I mean, Singhal Saab, where are you? Such an honor to be with you, sir. Gautam Saab, Rima, all of you young. How wonderful this place is. Gives me a lot of energy. But my name is Baman Irani. I'm just making sure. Singhal Saab will tell you. You must never assume anything. You must never assume that people know who you are. It's not important. I mean, just because I act in movies, it doesn't mean that you should know who I am, correct? Nobody's agreeing with me. Yeah. It's not important. Okay, I'll tell you why this happened to me. I stopped assuming that people should know who I am and what I do. I was on a flight, right? And one guy came talking very loudly on the phone. Zoro se baat kar. He was shouting on the phone. He came in, he saw me, he got very excited. He got so excited. Mera favorite actor, mera favorite actor. Sir, aapne mein khali. Mera favorite actor, he and everybody in the plane is looking, kya ho gaya? He started perspiring. Mera favorite actor, he was on the phone and he comes up to me and words are not coming out of his mouth. Finally, he comes to my ear and he whispers so loudly for the whole plane to hear. And he says, Bhai sahab, aapka naam kya hai, wo bata do bas. From that day on, I never assume anything. Sab log hase, jaise ki aap mera mazak uda rahe. Everybody laughed, and why not? But you must never assume that people know who you are, no matter how big you become in life. Remember that. So, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Baman Irani, and I'm an actor. I've been given 2 hours to make my speech. 2 घंटा. Sir, how long? 2 hours. चलो ठीक है. सब लोग ऐसे बोल रहे हैं. ये तो वायरस से भी बोरिंग निकलेगा. So I'm going to tell you a quick story. As soon as possible, I'm going to tighten it in such a way that in the next 20-25 minutes is okay, right? 20-25 minutes I complete this story of mine. I was born in 1959. Please don't calculate. I know you're not good at mathematics. I'm 64 years old. Please. Thank you very much. I was born in December 1959. My father passed away in May 1959. I came into this world after the death of my father. So I was brought up by my mother and my 3 sisters. And I was surrounded by women. I used to be afraid of males. डर लगता था उनकी आवाज़ सुन के. तो मैं क्या हो गया? I was very protective and I was very, very loved. But sometimes that's not a good thing. You must toughen people. You will agree with me. I went to St. Mary's School for the admission. And my mother wanted me to be in the best school in Mumbai. But I never used to speak. I never used to speak. You know why? Because I used to talk like virus. Trust me. I used to speak with my tongue sticking out. ऐसे बात कर रहा था. जैसे वायरस बात करता, आप लोग हंस रहे, तब भी लोग हंसते थे मुझे देख के. अरे यार कैसे बात करते हैं? पर मुझे अजीब सा लगता था. I used to feel something's wrong with me, and that is why I never spoke. I went to the principal's office for the admission, and the principal showed me a photograph of a horse. And he says, Beta, what is this? I was going to get admission. But it has an S in it. Right? तो मैं क्या बोलता अगर जवाब देता तो? है ना? मैंने जवाब ही नहीं दिया. मैं काफी अकलमंद हूँ. I'm very intelligent. मैंने जवाब ही नहीं दिया. बोला कोई बात नहीं. nervous है बच्चा. So he showed me a photograph of a mouse. मैं क्या बोलता? Mouse. मैंने जवाब ही नहीं दिया. I just want to let you know I did not get admission in St. Mary's School. And the biggest lesson I learned that day, जो डर गया समझो मर गया. गब्बर सिंह ने बोला था, आपको याद है, right? Never be afraid. Even never have the fear of failure. Just go ahead, be brave and do it. And 10 days later, and this is the point I'm coming to. 10 days later, Father Molyneux calls up my mother and says, Mrs. Irani, we are educationists. We made a big mistake. Which child doesn't know what a horse is? Which child doesn't know what a mouse is? Of course he knows. He's just shy. Sent him to St. Mary's School and they gave me admission. You're allowed to clap for Father Molyneux. It's okay. The point, can I walk around? कि इधर क्रॉस पे हमको बांध के रखा है. I can walk. अभी मैं टाइगर बन गया, शेर बन गया. So my point I'm making over here is that always give people a chance. We are too busy judging people. On first appearance, I'm going to make a big hint at Instagram. Too busy judging people. We spend our whole lives judging others and spend very little time judging ourselves. Alright? किसी को ये statement अच्छा नहीं लगा, मुझे मालूम है. I know that, but we'll get to that, right? I had dyslexia, I had dyscalculia. I still don't remember numbers. मुझे numbers याद नहीं रहते. It's a condition. It's a disability. Like you can have 500 different disabilities. Numbers याद नहीं रहते मुझे. आज भी मुझे ये क्या OTP जो आता ना? I am petrified of OTP. क्योंकि 4 नंबर याद करने में मेरा blood pressure बढ़ जाता है. 4, 5, 6 गया. Room number भी याद नहीं रहता मैं. I do not remember the hotel room number. You asked me, sir, you asked me this morning which room number. I say, what? No idea. कभी-कभी मैं गलत रूम में चले जाता हूँ. I knock on the wrong door. Sometimes I go on purpose, but we'll talk about that later. Yeah, college, eh? Anyway, to make a long story short, I want to tell you all something very important. Every human being, every great story, no matter how simple the human being is, must have a want. What do I mean by that? Hashtag want. If you don't want something out of life, then your story will never be worth telling. If you're going to spend all of your time looking into Instagram and swiping, you don't have a want. Your only want is to look into Instagram. The rest of the world is doing it. How do you make your story unique? You must have a want. And my want was, believe it or not, my want was coming and standing on stage. Now, want is very important and we'll be discussing hashtag want a lot. 25 minutes में जितना भी होता मैं बोलूँगा. My mother, मेरी माँ, she saw me on stage when I used to never open my mouth. मैं जुबान नहीं खोलता था. But stage पे एक दिन मैं choir में खड़े रह के से smile करके गाना गा रहा हूँ. And she's seeing me smiling away on stage and saying, that's what my son wants. He wants to be on stage. And all those, how many parents over here? Put up your hands. Children, put down your hands. Why are you putting up your hands? Parents, yes. Please understand. Make your child and give your child the nursery to fulfill his or her want, not your want. It's very important. Not your want. So my mother used to encourage me, send me to the movies every day. She used to send me to the movies every day. Kyun? Because she realized that my heart is in that. My confidence came from there. मैं कोई भी पिक्चर देख के आता उसकी पूरी कहानी. As a 6-year-old, as a 7-year-old, I could tell the whole story. So I had this in me to tell stories. एक picture थी, it was an English film called Funny Girl. It was not a funny movie at all, but it was about a comedian who had a very sad life. All right? तो मैं वो picture 25-30 times जाके देख चुका था. And the doorman, the usher would ask me, बेटा इधर आ, तेरे को पिक्चर समझ में आता है? बोला नहीं, तो फिर आता क्यों है? मुझे मालूम नहीं. कुछ है इस पिक्चर में. And you know what? Today I realize the opening scene of that film is the main character standing in front of the theater. That image stuck to me. Standing in front of a theater, looking at audience going in. That's all that matters for your want. You want that. But there's a catch. Not only did I stare at that picture, you know what she did? She did not go from the main door. She went into a gully and went round like that. Went to a dark gully and came from the back door. And the back door pe likha tha artist's entrance. I said, that's what I want. To come on stage in the artist's entrance. Right? But I had other responsibilities because my marks were not great. I'm not as bright as you people are. I went for a job at the Taj Mahal Hotel, right, to be a waiter. And the manager there was a Parsi. You all know who a Parsi is? Oh, thank God. Because दुनिया में सिर्फ 60,000 Parsis are left in the world. हम लोग भूल गए Parsi कौन है. And मेरा interview, my first interview. Believe me, these things are important to understand. What's your name? I said, Boman Irani. Which department do you want to join? He asked me. I want to be a waiter, but which department? So many styles. I said, food and beverage, sir. Yeah? Food and beverage, sir. My accent ही change हो गया. Be yourself. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Be yourself. Don't put on an act. Be yourself. Be truthful to yourself. Food and beverage. Achha, what? Sir, I want to join the Rendezvous restaurant. Rendezvous is a French restaurant, the most expensive restaurant in the country. Rooftop. Taj ka rooftop पे. अच्छा. Taj Agra नहीं बाबा. Taj Mumbai. Taj पे कहाँ rooftop पे? Then one girl is. So he said, he looked up at me and said, very good. And that stuck in my head. Good. You want to go somewhere. Very good, sir. Want something. Go to the basement, you idiot. He sent me to the basement instead of sending me there. I said, why, sir? He said, you think you can go up directly? You have to pay your dues, my friend. And he sent me to the basement and put me in room service. For 2 years, I was in room service carrying trays. Ladies and gentlemen, my friends, carrying trays, collecting tips. 2 years. I had a lump over here because this side I used to carry the tray. Balance होता तो यहाँ पे एक muscle develop होता है. अब ये यहाँ पे आ गया वो muscle का. But the point is, I collected money in a piggy bank. I used to make a lot of tips. My mother fell ill. I had to give up my job. I reached Rendezvous, by the way. मेरा want पूरा हो गया. And remember, when you complete one want, you have to have another one. You cannot say मेरा काम हो गया, right? So my mother said, दुकान पे बैठना पड़ेगा. दुकान. We were दुकानदार. My mother was running a दुकान. छोटी सी दुकान थी. ये तो बहुत बड़ी है. इतनी सी दुकान थी. इतनी सी. वहाँ पे she used to sell wafers. आलू के वेफर्स. हम लोग मुंबई में बटाटा बोलते हैं. हम लोग हंसी आते हैं ना जब बटाटा बोलते तो. आलू के वेफर्स बनाते थे. और वो काम मैंने 14 साल किया. But I used to learn every day about direction and acting. I used to hold a book and I used to read because that was my hashtag. Zara zor se bolo. Hashtag. Exactly. And finally, I realized I did not have money to take. I got married. I had 2 children very fast. Parsis need numbers, so jaldi bachcha bana liya. I just want to digress. I just talk about the Parsi community. बहुत छोटी community है. 60,000 Parsis left on the entire planet. All right. और हमारे community के बुजुर्ग आके मुझे बोलते हैं, बमन कुछ करो. अबे मैं क्या करूँ? मैं तो दादा बन गया. But सब लोग ये conservationists है ना, दिया मिर्जा और ये सब बोलते हैं ना, save the Bengal tiger, save the Bengal. लेकिन मरने दो से Bengal tiger को. Save the Parsi. We need more Parsis in this country. है ना? So coming back to the want, I started doing photography, and I made some money to take my family for a holiday. And the holiday was a disaster. The holiday was a disaster because I did not plan very well. I went into this hotel. We went by train, we went by ST bus, we went by rickshaw. मेरी family के साथ. Can you imagine? आज मुझे लोग पूछते हैं आपका रूम कैसा है? बोला बहुत ही कमाल का रूम है. आपका फ्लाइट कैसा है? कमाल का फ्लाइट है. Because we have gone through the simplest of lives. My grandmother, मेरी दादी, ईरान से आई थी as a refugee. She rode across the desert on a donkey, गधे पे. मैं उनका पोता हूँ. I'm standing here in the suit today. Do not forget your roots, my friends. Do not forget your uncles and your aunties who have brought you up and your parents who have brought you up, no matter how big. And let me tell you, now that you're in one of the finest universities, you will become somebody. You will fulfill your want. But never forget your roots. Correct? Kuch sahi, galat bola, sir? Very important. Anyway, my grandmother came in a sailboat from Iran to India. Anyway, I went to this thing, and when I went into the room, sir, room में एक बल्ब था. एक बल्ब. बोला प्लीज लाइट तो ऑन कीजिए. अंधेरा था रूम के अंदर. लाइट ऑन किया. The light came on. It was still dark. क्यों? वो 0 watt का बल्ब था. And I'm looking at that 0 watt bulb and saying, that's me. I'm a big zero. Because I am not able to give my family half a decent life. And these things are important. That is your failure, and failures are good for you. Please never feel bad if you have failed at anything. All right, it's just a stepping stone to improve upon yourself. And I came back and I wanted to be someone bigger. So I took up that camera. I used to do sports photography, and I started doing sports photography. And I went to the boxing committee, Olympic boxing committee, to become the official photographer of the World Cup. World Cup of boxing, India. मैं गया. Now listen to this, amazing. वो भी पारसी खड़ूस फाइट. मेरे फोटोज देखे, बोला बहुत अच्छे फोटोज हैं. बोला I want to be the official. What is the I want to be the official photographer of the World Cup. He's saying we don't need you. ठीक है. And he stopped me and he's telling me, you are that wafer wala? मुझे थोड़ा बुरा लग गया. What do you mean? What do you mean wafer wala? I'm proud to do what I'm doing. And he asked me the most ridiculous question. He said, what do you know about potatoes? First he asked me, where do you buy potatoes? I said, from the market. और किधर से? So what do you know about potatoes? He said, I know I can put my thumb in a potato, I can tell how much moisture it has, when to fry it, how many days later, कौन से गांव का है, मिट्टी को मैं टच करके बोल सकता हूँ, ये मेट्रोपोलियन है, ये तलेगांव है, ये वट्टी है. क्या बात है? You are an expert on potatoes. मुझे थोड़ा बुरा लग गया, लेकिन I kept quiet. I want something. I want. Then he asked me, where you buy it? I said, onion and potato market. He said, what do you know about onions? प्याज के बारे में पूछ रहा है यार आदमी. मुझे वर्ल्ड कप का ऑफिशियल फोटोग्राफर बनना है और ये प्याज और पोटैटोज के बारे में बात कर रहा है. सिंह मुझे अनियंस के बारे में, प्याज के बारे में कुछ मालूम नहीं. सिंह यही मैं कहना चाहता हूँ बेटा, तुम्हारे फोटोग्राफ्स हर तरह के स्पोर्ट्स के फोटोग्राफ्स है. इसके साइकिलिंग, क्रिकेट, फुटबॉल, हॉकी, हाई जंप, लॉन्ग जंप, क्रिकेट, ट्रिपल जंप, सब कुछ है. बॉक्सिंग के फोटोग्राफ्स नहीं है. You understand what he's trying to tell me? He's saying you can be an expert for 20 years in one field, but if you just change a department, you have to start from the basement to go to the rendezvous. You have to pay your dues. Right? So I went to do a boxing match का photographs लेने गया, and over there it was like a hut. It was a hut with पतले दुबले boxers, इतने दुबले मतलब मैं world class pictures कैसे लूँगा? और वो भी वो रिंग के ऊपर एक छोटा सा एक बल्ब. मेरे नसीब में एक ही बल्ब होता है हमेशा, जैसे कि आज ये. So I went over there. This is what I'm trying to explain to you, my young friends. You will always have cards that are dealt out to you. You'll come from a town, you will have a certain background, your parents are from a certain background, you'll come from some financial status, whether it's high or low. Believe me, nothing matters. Nothing matters except for your want. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. You've been a wonderful, wonderful audience.
Thank you so much, sir.